It's Thursday, the 25th of March, and welcome to The Breakfast Show. I'm your host, Mark Anthony, and it's the start of what promises to be a very long but very exciting day, but more of that in a second. First, as always, let's take a look at who's celebrating today, and it's a massive happy birthday to singer and songwriter Sir Elton John, and to actress Sarah Jessica Parker of Sex in the City fame. We will be right back after this.
If you enjoyed this show, please consider supporting us. Go to buymeacoffee.com/Demolition News.
Well, today is the day that the Construction Collective convenes once again at 6 p.m. tonight. That's UK time. We will go live with our all-new technology show in what is a fitting and timely celebration of an accidental but entirely fortuitous union. This time last year, myself, Content with Media's Peter Haddock and Nick Drew of the Diggerman blog returned home from the ConExpo show. We escaped Las Vegas just in time, and we were all on the same flight. We'd all just seen some of the very latest technology on offer in the construction equipment sector, and collaboration was in the air. Tonight is a further culmination of that collaboration as we come together once again to look at the very thing that united us in the first place. So if you're free at 6 o'clock tonight, please be sure to join us for what promises to be an insightful and entertaining look at some of the latest tech that could be finding a home within your business in the months and years ahead. Can't tell you what's on the show because that's I'm sword in the secrecy on that, but this is the trailer. As I say, that'll be 6 o'clock tonight here on Facebook and on YouTube at the same time. So if that's the sort of thing you're into, please join us. Please get your comments ready, or send them in advance if you wish. And I will mention comments a bit later on as well. But now on to more serious matters. Site security specialist VPS has called upon construction and demolition contractors to secure their sites against trespass from children and so-called urban explorers. As schools break up for Easter, VPS has warned contractors about the risks to children tempted to use building sites or derelict premises as playgrounds during the holidays. Construction sites and abandoned buildings are a magnet for children looking to explore and play, says Darren Kavanagh, Chief Operating Officer at VPS. And not only children. The growing interest in urban exploring means that youths and adults are also curious trespassers. But these sites can be dangerous places. Last June, an urban explorer fell to his death from the roof of an abandoned dairy in Devon. Property and landowners of vacant sites are responsible for keeping them safe and secure while they lie empty. If a serious injury or worse happens to anyone, even if they're trespassing, the owners can be held liable if they are found to have been negligent. Now, you might recall this is a subject that we've covered extensively in the past. It's a particular bugbear of mine. I actually had a meeting with my local MP, Chris Grayling, about this probably 2 years ago now. I managed to get basically nowhere. But it is a subject that keeps coming up. And it's something that I did a video about a good few years ago. If you have a look down below in the description for this video, you'll see a link to that previous video. I must admit quite why demolition and construction companies are responsible if somebody breaks into their site and hurts themselves. That's a discussion for a whole other time. But yeah, it is one to be aware of, particularly with the Easter holidays rolling around. Now, if you were watching yesterday, you'll know that the construction industry is in overdrive right about now, but not content with racking up a staggering £83 billion in new contract awards since the UK's first lockdown began. The sector continues to be the gift that keeps on giving. Waverley Borough Council, just up the road from where I am and not far from where I go fishing, has given the green light to the construction of 30 new affordable homes at Oxford Ridge in Godalming in Surrey. But this will require the demolition of 18 existing dwellings on the site. The client on this occasion is the council itself, that's Waverley Borough Council, but you can find out more about this project lead and countless others by visiting our friends over at the Builders Conference. You can find them at buildersconference.co.uk. Now, just before we came on air today, we heard about a big deal that the folks over at Thwaites have just secured. Let's get the photograph up. Brandon Hire Station has taken delivery of 70 one-ton high-tip dumpers in a deal that will satisfy the growing demand for Thwaites dumpers across the company's national network of almost 160 depots. The deal was facilitated by Thwaites approved distributor for the Midlands, Northwest and Yorkshire. That's BTE Plant Sales. So congratulations to BTE, to Thwaites, and of course to Brandon Hire. You only make this kind of investment if you have a bit of confidence about the future. So this is further good news for the sector. I think that just about wraps up the show for today. In less than 8 hours' time, I'll be back here again to co-host the Construction Collective Technology Show. And between me, you and the gatepost, the content, the running order and the script are still coming together. We like to take these things right to the wire. So in the meantime, have a great day. I hope to see you tonight for what promises to be another great show. Failing that, I'll be here again, same time, same place tomorrow. Thanks for watching, and I will see you tonight or tomorrow or both. See you then.